The secret of the fairy lake. In a quiet forest village, a curious little girl named Alia often wandered to a shimmering lake. People believed the lake was magical and revealed its secrets only to pure-hearted souls. One evening, as the sky turned golden, Alia sat near the water when a glowing fairy rose from the lake. Without speaking, the fairy held out her hand. Alia, full of wonder, accepted it, and together they sank beneath the surface. To her amazement, Alia could breathe underwater. They passed floating flowers, glowing fish, and entered a hidden kingdom with crystal bridges and singing trees. It felt like a dream. Inside a glass castle, a treasure chest opened to reveal a heart-shaped glowing crystal. The fairy explained it could only be activated by someone truly kind. When Alia touched it, golden light surrounded her. She had passed the test. The fairy brought her back to the surface. As they reached the shore, the fairy disappeared into sparkles. Alia stood quietly, holding the magical heart, knowing she had been chosen to protect the secret of the fairy lake.